Let's take a look at two examples that involve the special trig limits discussed in our previous lesson. Consider the limit of tangent x over x as x approaches 0. Pause your video and see if you can recognize how we can apply one of the special trig limits to solving this problem. We can rewrite tangent as sine over cosine. So you get sine x over x times 1 over cosine x. So sine x over x is one of our special trig limits. The limit of that function as x goes to 0 is 1. And the limit of cosine x as x approaches 0 is also 1. And 1 over 1 is 1. So the limit of tangent x over x as x approaches 0 is 1. Here's another example. Take the limit of sine 4x over x as x approaches 0. Again, pause your video and see if you can identify one of the special trig limits and apply it to this problem. Now, if you remembered that the limit of sine ax over x is simply a as x approaches 0, then you know the answer right away. This is 4. If you didn't memorize that, you can multiply this problem by 4 over 4. And then you get, bringing the coefficient out, you get the limit of sine of 4x over 4x as x approaches 0. And now setting 4x as another variable, such as y, then you get the 4 times the limit of sine y over y as y approaches 0. And again, this whole thing, as we showed in our last lesson, and so 4 times 1 is 4. So if you didn't memorize the 4 special trig limits, go back to the previous lesson and take another look.